So here we have a 2007 57 BMW 320 diesel SE. It's got good tyres on the front and the wheels aren't too bad, a few scratches on there. This was previously sold to a customer and then came back a week later, failing to start. There's slight little scratches there due to normal wear and tear. Boot opens, decent sized boot there. There's towing in there. It's all clean in there, just the seats need a bit of a clean. There's a few stains on the seats, same with this seat here. Stereo CD player. Do have the service book in here as well, so there's service history, a few leads there. No damage like dents or anything. Let's have a see what happens when you put the key in. It just turns over. Just ticks over and don't do nothing now. I've listed the errors on the coding. Whoops, that's flying off. So that needs going back on, it's just a clip. Yeah, so that don't obviously start now. Have a look under the bonnet, there's obviously all the paperwork in there, there's loads of receipts and that. There was only 3 owners before, obviously it's now 4. The guy who bought it said that he knew that there was a problem with the EGR because of the soot on the top of the engine. Well, he's had it for a week and his mechanic hasn't fixed it, he's made it worse if anything. So look at that. There's loads of oil on there as well. I'm not sure if there's a problem now with the particulate filter, and I'm not sure if they've taken stuff off of it and not put it back, but there's nothing on in the car. So I don't have time and effort to put onto this because it's horrible. It wasn't like this beforehand, but there's definitely oil leaks now. So if you're interested in purchasing it, you can come along and bid on it at ebay.com. Thanks for watching.